In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch XFL games on ESPN, so you can catch all the action from the league. Let's get started. XFL games are broadcast on ESPN networks, including ESPN, ESPN2, and ABC. To watch, check the XFL schedule on the official website or ESPN site to find the game times and corresponding channels. You can stream these games live through a cable or streaming service that includes ESPN, such as Hulu plus Live TV, YouTube TV, Sling TV, or Fubo TV. If you prefer using the ESPN app, download it on your device and log in with your TV provider credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Live Sports section to find the XFL game that's airing. If you have ESPN+, some games or additional content may also be available there. For offline viewing, check if the streaming service you use offers DVR functionality to record games. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy watching XFL games on ESPN.